Greetings, fellow gators. I would like to show you my entire Stargate collections with all 3D printed models which I designed and printed and painted. Let me show you everything I have here so far. So in the first cupboard or vitrine, we have the Ori Mothership, we have the belly spinner, and we have the Oni. Of course, we also have my Stargate chess here, but I don't think I will spend any time here with the chess. We will start with the Mothership, and yeah, this is the Ori Mothership. I designed it with retractable legs so that it can properly stand, and basically the same goes for every ship here, because even the belly spinner has something like retractable legs. Well, they are nearly rotating like this, but yeah, they are helping the ship to stand. And then O'Neill, which has well, a real retractable leg with parallelogram, my own design. So yeah, these were the ships here, and now we will move to the other cupboard. Before I open it, here we have the Apophis Mothership. The ship has retractable pylons or whatever the hell they are called, just like in the series. Yeah, unfortunately this ship is so big that I cannot really place it in any between. Anyway, in this cupboard we have the Ancient Cruiser. We have the Pegasus Space Gate, Stargate Universe Off-World Gate, and the Tunnel Jumper. We start with the Jumper. Yeah, the Jumper has retractable engine pods and weapon pods. So yeah, as you can see, everything could be retracted, and now it can go through the gate. It actually fits to the space gate. I don't want to put it out, but it does. So that's the Jumper, and the Universe Gate. It has the feature, it spins just like in the series. And the newest addition is the Ancient Cruiser. Nothing really special about this one. And as you can see, I still have a place for one or two models depending on the length. And now we are going to the main tree. So here we have my largest models. So we start with the Stargate from the SDC. One of my crown achievements, working Iris in the Stargate mockup and the Stargate in the off-world pedestal. Both of these gates are the same, and they have this feature that the inner ring is rotating. Okay, the iris here is opening and closing. Okay, next here we have F302. It doesn't really have any features, maybe. I don't know if you can call it feature, but the missiles could be detached, so yeah, theoretically you can call it feature. one of my biggest ship, DC-304, my custom one called Ares, after me. Obviously, yeah, not in scale. Then we have Destiny with the seed ship. The seed ship could be detached, and we can have the Destiny itself. And then we continue with the Aurora class. It's kind of same as the cruiser, though it has the same retracting landing leg as the O'Neill. And then my personal favorite, Prometheus, which is based on the ship as it appears in the very last episode where it was destroyed, eaten. So it has all its, well, upgrades, I would say. And if we can look closer, you can even see here a very small 302 printed from SLA by my friend Ali. Though it's not in proper scale, it should be even smaller, but I was really afraid that it will be way too small. Anyway, next to it we see X301. I basically did it only to have, you know, the complete fleet. And under it is my personal replicator Rudla. It's fully posable, I would say in proper scale, replicator. We start with my, well, crown jewel, which is Atlantis. So yeah, this is the Atlantis with basically its own fleet. We have here Hathak, 304, 303, Aurora, Destiny, Beliskner, and O'Neill. And maybe in the future I will add more ships. For example, the cruiser could be added. Who knows? The possibilities are endless. All those ships are more or less in proper scale, with exception of those two Asgard ships, which should be even bigger, but then they wouldn't really fit. So I took this artistic license and made them a little bit smaller than they actually should be. Okay, and now we will take a look at the last vitrine. So in the upper shelf we have my three ships from the Expanse. Rocinante, as it appears in the very last episode of the season 6, then Amun-Ra class stealth ship, and the Donager class, the Donager itself actually. This ship is still my most successful model, my most successful design. It was really popular. It has many features. One of them is fully retractable PDCs, fully closable landing legs, extendable air bridge, and stuff like that. This is something I'm really proud of. Then we have the Amun-Ra class. It's not as advanced as the Rocinante, though it still has quite a few nice things. The Donager is basically the least interesting one, but I always loved the design, so yeah, here it is. Anyway, in the middle we have all the Goa'uld stuff. So we have the Hathak, landed on the three-sided pyramid. We have Chaos class, landed on the normal pyramid with the temple, of course. Then we have a Delta and the Death Glider. And then we have another of my crown achievements, Serpent Guard with retractable helmet. Even the Delta has its features. It has the landing mode as well, just like it was in the series, where the fins or the wings, I guess, retract into body, and those sides will slide over to the body as well. I will not demonstrate it here. If you are interested, just look at the respective videos for those projects, so you can see the action itself. And then those four small bodies here, those are actually the first DLC for the Stargate chess. We have the exterior one, Jumper, Aurora, and the Ori Mothership. And in the very bottom is my very first design, which actually I did not print, but it was printed by my friend Ali, who is actually standing behind the camera.
Hi.
And this is the trebuchet, which actually works. It actually still works. It uses the weight for the fishing as a counterbalance and also as a munition. So yeah, this was my very first design. Okay, so that's it. That's my collection. As you can see, there is still some space, so I think it will grow a little bit at least. Yeah, I hope that you liked it. I will remind you that everything that you see here is available. I mean the files, the 3D files for the printing. Everything is free, so you don't have to pay anything. Of course, if you want to donate something, you can on my PayPal, but it's completely voluntary. So if you want, just download it and print it yourself. Okay, then I guess we will see each other in the next video. Have a very nice day and bye bye.